Okay, well, there were no instructions for this. So let's see if this non-mechanical person can figure this out. This is all that came in the package. This has got to be the base. Oh, here. I see a square and a square. And a screw. A short screw and a long screw. Let's try the long one. Handy screwdriver came with it. That's very cool. Now, maybe it's the short one. No, it's not the little one. So it must be the big one. It just wasn't in level. Wow. Okay. We're doing it. We're doing it. Without stripping the screw, we have screwed it in. Cool. Now, this. Oh. Who knew? So then this must go there. Oh, this side. Okay. Wow, can you believe it? I figured it out. Okay. Wow, I'm so proud of myself. Okay, I'm a very non-mechanical person. Did I say that already? Ta-da! I think. Is that level? Guess it doesn't really need to be. Wow! My own yarn holder. Let me find some yarn. Where? Well, that's exciting. Thank you, Dana, very much. I will put this to use immediately. Well, I have to say, this is a wonderful device. And it is definitely a step up from my yarn stand for one key reason. And that is that it does not mess with your tension at all. This comes off the skein so easily. Now, with my yarn stand, which I will raise just a bit so you can see it, you just put the skeins on here. Sometimes they get a little tight, or they get hung up here, or it's just, you know, you're relying on that connection to be smooth enough. And sometimes the tug on your yarn gets pretty tight with this, and you're constantly basically having to pull yarn off in advance in order to keep your tension right. Where with this, you could see I'm not even paying attention to this, and it's just smoothly flying off of this skein without affecting my tension at all. So for that reason, I highly recommend this thing. Okay, Dana, that's twice now you've changed my crochet tools. You introduced me to the AirTouch, Clover AirTouch, and now to this wonderful yarn stand. All I can say is Dana gives great prizes on her giveaways. Pay attention to her channel. That is one generous lady who knows exactly what we crocheters need. Thanks again. Bye.